Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kum si bentana ka jingrak hei ka sngi ka bagarpang jong kikin thei. Ne ya ka balate ba khtian nang wei kum ka International Women's Day. Katna trekam Women's Cell jong ka Lady Keane College. Ha ka South Trek mentau bana yayong 8,000 khat khandai. Kala pelong da ka Jingsumar ne ka free medical health camp ya ki Samla Pule jong ka ne ka college. Ha ka ne ka sngi nalor ka Jingsumar la pelong ro ya ka Salong bat ka hikai ki Samla Pule halor kumno banyada bat ban sumar da wan ki jingpang ba pero per. Ha ka ne ka sngi la pelong ro ya ka ya pai ba bat ka jingpani ya ka film ka balajer kerteng period end of sentence. Ha ka Jingsumar la wan ban examen da ki doktor na Negrims Hospital Maudiang Diang.
To express a solidarity but ka nationwide protest baki pelong mentakas ni kadai ka Women March for Change ni express a solidarity dakabayad. It was a peace march with placards ki khna jungi hi ra placards. This is a nationwide protest against the atrocities against women nationwide nangta bat ka bakila pensange bakila there's a lot of what do you call on constitutional rights of women te apren kata kila ai ka iyo yang ni ke appeal tinggal join lang in the peace march te hadin kata ngi pelong ka medical camp dapat ki students ni yo ki doctors samut na po Negrims and then we also have our visiting doctors of the college together with nurses in medical camp, especially on menstrual health. Then hadin kata ngin perkut ka days program but ka screening of a movie baka dang shio shen ka award Oscar award. The name of the movie is Period End of Sentence. Kani ka movie ro ka highlight shapang kani ka menstrual health and hygiene about menstruation kumno ki brio. Although India is called a developing country, India is a modern nation. Taro ki hidang ya the perspective, the mindset of the people towards this menstruation kadang long lagging behind. Di kimpat long expose, kimpat laban keren openly about this. Di ngi kwa ban inspire the girls through the screening of the movie today.